Hello friends, hi, how are you all doing? It's been a while. It's been a while since I've sat down and filmed a proper YouTube video, and I do apologize for that. I especially apologize to those of you who subscribe to my channel specifically for DIY videos. I know I have not filmed one in what seems like ages, and I am so sorry. It's just DIY videos take me longer to organize, to film, to edit, and right now with a baby and 4-year-old, I don't have the time. So anyways, I am making a Halloween centerpiece, so I figured I might as well try and film this. We're gonna see how this works out. I don't even know if I'll end up uploading this. So we're just gonna get into the supplies. I have here some skulls. These are little plastic skulls that I either purchased from Michael's or Dollarama. Can't remember which one, but you know, I'm sure you can get little plastic skulls like this from many places. I will also be using some beads. I have here some black beads as well as these little glass beads. I get all my beads from Michael's. I just prefer their quality and the type of beads that they carry. And then I will also be using some thread, scissors, glue gun, glue sticks. I have here this jewelry holder that I purchased from Dollarama a while ago. So I don't know if you can get this exact same one, but anything similar will work. And then lastly, I have some satin black spray paint. So that is it for the supplies. Let's get into the tutorial.